Hi guys, I'm Malik Bhai with UVibes. Today we are going to learn how to create manual facet report in Oracle APEX. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel UVibes. Please follow SOP regarding COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe. So let's start. We're going to learn how to create manual facet report in Oracle APEX. So let's start. First of all, I would create a blank page. Next, assign any name. I'm assigning name manual facet search. Press next. Assign in navigation menu, create new navigation menu entry. Assign name. Finish. Our blank page has been successfully created. So let's first of all I would create a region. Assigning name. Whereas in this tutorial I would create a facet report on a department table. So let's assign name. Okay. Now I'm going to assign region type, classic report. Assigning the source table name, DPT, department. Okay. Save. I'm running this report. You can see the view of the report. Okay. Now I'm going to page properties. Now I'm going to on the right side page property appearance. In appearance portion I'm going to page template. I'm going to change from template default to left side column. Save. You can see the difference between default theme and left column because our department region has moved from left side to right or center. So I'm going to create another region. This is a blank region, a blank space, blank area. In this area we would create a search facet search region of a facet search bar in this area. Okay, for this we would create a region, create region, drag to top, search, just assign any name. Now I'm going to change the type, static content to facet search. Okay. Now source. Now I'm going to assign source facet region. I'm going to assign a region department. This is the source where we would apply on that region facet report. Okay. Save. Now you can see slightly difference between search. Such region has been shown on the top of the department. Now I'm going to change the little change in search region. Go to layout, position to left column. Save. Now you can see the little difference. Such region has been shown on the left side. You can see difference, clearly difference for this section. Okay, now I'm going to create a facet search item. Parent region. Now I'm going to change to type facet search. Now I'm going to the source where report is held. I am going to assign source department. This is a region where apply on a facet report. Okay, save. Now I'm going to create facet, assign name, department name. Now I'm going to assign list of value checkbox, and where we can select faces such reports, such criteria, such type, checkbox, input field, radio group, range, search, select list. For this I'm creating select list of value. I'm going to select from share component, list of value department. Okay, now I'm going to copy this field, copy, and assign to this item source column name, item, and number. Now I'm going to run the as you can see in the left side, this is our department name. This fetches column, first fetches search. Okay, you can see on the right side report region showing all department. When I'm click on this select, I'm going to select any department. I'm select accounting. You can see the runtime, the change the department on the data. I'm going to select clear. This would show all data. I'm going to select sales. Okay, this graph facility or option available in Oracle APEX 20.20. Now I'm going to add another facet. Create facet. Now I'm creating a other facet on shift ID. Shift ID. Checkbox. For this time, I'm going to select static value 1, 2, 3. You can create from share component, or you can create from select SQL query. Okay, now I'm going to assign this fetches to source column. Paste, save. Now I'm going to run the report. At the last I'm change the data type, number, save, run. Okay, you can see the checkbox column repair showing on the left side column, showing only shift 3 ID. You can clear from here or you can select from only. So guys, our facet sets menus versus search report has been completed. So